Starting off qualification match 43 at the PNW Auburn District. Cheering from both alliances up in the stands, generating energy in this room in this late evening match. All three robots having moved as we transition to the teleyacht period where drivers take control. Blue and red both quickly moving around the reef, back and forth from the human player stations. Robo-totes with an algae in their hand, looking to pop it over into that net. They don't quite make it as it bounces away on the floor. Thankfully, it didn't roll out of the field. Revolution dropping another 5 points, followed by Soda Bots quickly filling up that trough. That collector is very effective and gets the Blue Alliance ahead as they're attempting to get to that ranking point. Robototes once again with an algae in their hand, repeating what they successfully did earlier, and it looks like they've done it once again. Almost all the algae completely removed from that reef, but it's pretty barren of coral at this point in the game. Pack of Parts is looking to rectify that. They're still lining up, and they don't quite make it with putting another piece of coral in that trough. We are seeing fairly aggressive defense from 5295, the alternating current, trying to block this Blue Alliance from getting back to their reef. But they're filling it up fairly quickly and fairly effectively. They have 3 out of the 4 levels of coral needed for the ranking point, in which they want to achieve by the end of this match. Robototes continuing to chuck that algae up into that net as their partner Pack of Parts is doing circles on the floor. They potentially may have a piece of coral stuck in there, and it looks like they may have been able to effectively get it out. Back over to the blue side, the trough on this blue reef is starting to get filled up, though they still have some coral algae that they need to remove in order to populate the whole volume. We'll see if that's part of their prerogative as we hear the sonar ping. We want to ascend to the surface, both Robototes and alternating current, as well as Pack of Parts, making it back to the barge zone. Robototes looking to subsume their shallow, deep cage as the Revolution and CPR are up in the air. We'll come back with the scores for qualification match 43 in a few minutes. The scoreboard shows Blue Alliance victorious with a score of 161, red putting up 36 points. The Blue Alliance walking away with all 6 ranking points, pushing them up